Welcome to this Grow You Girl meditation moment. And as the holidays draw near, the number of decisions that we have to make seem to multiply: what to do, what to give, where to be, and with whom. So remember, before we begin, to take a few moments out to subscribe to continue to get more of these along with all the other gardening and growing content that we share. All right, let's grow. As we look at this beautiful sunset happening over the Pacific Ocean, let's go ahead and take a deep breath in. Let it fill you up and then slowly let it go. Feel your body soften as you settle into this very moment. Let the rhythm of the waves, the sound of the birds meet the rhythm of your breath. Breathe in the calm. Breathe out everything you no longer need, thinking of each wave carrying away a little bit more of the tension that may be building up inside of you. Now bring to mind one decision, just one, that's been circling your thoughts. You don't have to fix it or force it to get an answer. Just hold it gently in your awareness, like a seashell resting in the palm of your hand. Notice how your body responds. Does this decision feel light or heavy? Tight or free? Your body speaks a quiet truth if you listen long enough. That's really where intuition comes to play. When we sit in stillness, the chatter of the mind begins to fade, and underneath it, something wiser begins to whisper to us. You don't have to chase clarity. It's something that can come naturally if we let it, when you give it room to breathe. Your heart knows the way. Walk towards it in that direction. And as you watch the sun lower in the horizon, imagine your thoughts softening, like the colors that you see here in the sky. There's nothing to rush, no wrong direction, only the unfolding of what's true for you. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the need to have it all figured out, knowing the answers will come, as they always do, in the quiet between the waves. Thank you for joining me in this Grow You Girl meditation moment. May this season bring you calm, clarity, and courage to follow the guidance of your heart. And till next time, keep growing from the inside out. And remember to plant often and to always do it with love. I hope this brought you calm and clarity, and wishing you the very best. Until next week, take really good care.